This is the Italian-made Ghibli T1 backpack vacuum, designed to be light, powerful, and quiet. At just 4.7 kilos, it's lightweight and easy to wear, with ergonomic comfort straps that support your posture during long shifts. The short IEC cord and 18-meter extension lead give you flexible reach across large areas. Equipped with the Wesselwerk low-profile floor tool, the T1 makes cleaning under furniture effortless, while delivering strong 1,450-watt suction power. And with its low noise level, it operates quietly enough to be suitable for offices and public spaces. The 5-level filtration system, including H14 HEPA filter, captures the finest particles, and filters and dust bags are easy to change. Every tool has its own purpose, ensuring the right one is used for each job. And for maximum efficiency, the Ghibli T1 works seamlessly with the Activate 8 cordless vacuum head, the ultimate cleaning combination. Built with recycled materials, the T1 is not only powerful but also a sustainable choice for modern cleaning.